You can use VS Code's built-in Git support to create and delete tags, as well as push those tags to repositories. In the VS Code repo, for example, we use tags for tagging releases. So let's say that I wanted to create a new tag. I'm just going to open the command palette with Control-Shift-P or Command-Shift-P on Mac and say create tag. And I want the create tag command here. So now it's asking for a tag name, and I'm just going to call this 1.999, and hopefully we never actually get up to that version. And now it's asking for a message for this tag and says final release, exclamation point, of course. And now we've gone and created this tag. Now I could also go in and delete this tag now if I wanted to, and I decide that I actually do not want to release it. So again, using the command palette, I can just run git delete tag. And when I do this, I'll be presented with a list of tags here. I can just type out the tag name that I want. So in this case, I want 1.999, and I want to delete the tag that I just created here. So I'm going to say OK, and now I've gone and deleted the tag. Now once you have your tags all set up, just open up the command palette again and run git push follow tags. And this will actually synchronize the tags that you've created up to wherever your remote is so that other users can see them as well. So that's how you can use VS Code's built-in Git support to work with Git tags.